Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we are on vacation. Since we have to drive across an entire state, we're gonna be in the car for about 2.5 hours, give or take. I thought, let's make a competition out of it. So, we're gonna mine XYO and Electroneum and see who wins. Let the games begin. So, as you can see here, Electroneum is mining, and that's going to be mining in the background, so we can close that app. And you can see here in XYO, this is where we're starting. So let's go from there. And for your viewing pleasure. 'Cause I need to know now. Higher, the one. I want it that way. A mistake. Tell me why. Wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I don't want no scrub. I don't know how the song goes. How about I do it the way I want to, because it's my video. Okay, well, we finally arrived. Our 2.5 hour trip turned into a 3.5 hour trip, but we made it. Since I'm on vacation, we're gonna wait until I get home to do the math. Okay, so we are back from vacation and we're gonna do a little bit of the math of who won. So as you can see, XYO tokens, we started with 45,282 and we ended with 46,965 for a grand total of 1,683.09 XYO tokens mined on this 3.5 hour road trip. Electroneum, we started with 81.98 and we ended with only 82.85. So we're gonna round that up to 1. So based on the current prices of XYO and Electroneum, XYO we brought in $1.22 and Electroneum we made a whopping $0.004672 or half of a penny. So I'm mining with Coin Pro on XYO, and Electroneum, at this point I had 0 referrals going towards my mining haul. Now I have a lot more. I think I have like 50 referrals. And so I'm actually mining at twice the speed. Either way, like even if that was the case, it would still have only equaled a penny if I was mining at this speed compared to XYO. So the winner is XYO, plain and simple. I am still a big fan of Electroneum though, because it mines in the background, and you can watch my other video. I'll tag that down in the description. I'll also post it up here where you can see my comparison of the two. Electroneum has a lot of benefits, so make sure you watch that video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing more content like this, tech review updates, and the like. Once again, my name's Chris, and thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.